Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing another video. It's Tuesday. Sorry I haven't been posting last week. I've been very busy, like teenager stuff. You probably know that. I was very sick. I didn't want to get to the details, but I've been sick. I saw some of my mom and other stuff that I can't tell you, which is family stuff. But I'm back. Sorry about that. I haven't been replying to your comments either. That was Riley. You want to see Riley? Famous dog.
No.
You'll see a lot of cameos with her. So yeah, sorry about that. We're gonna do my mom gonna film in a second, but I gotta give a shout out to Daniel and Paul
Hi Daniel, hi Paul. Hope
and
you had a good
Eric Tyler.
day. Hi Eric, hi Tyler. Hope you had a good day.
Yes. Taking off my shoes.
Okay, and
So today we're opening another toy. Before we start, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on the post notifications so you don't miss a video and upload. If you're new here, please subscribe.
yes?
Please subscribe. Watch my other videos when you can.
Right.
Give it a like and smash that notification.
Okay.
So today we're opening a toy video, which was very requested, and opening 2 LOL Surprise
Minis.
Mini
They're minis.
Series
Show 'em.
1. We're gonna open 2 of these.
There, show them up close. Turn around the other way. There you go. Cool.
5 surprises. So let's start.
Let's start.
Purple ball. It's pearl.
Cool.
It's shiny. There's a star
There's a star. Okay. Cool.
on the zipper. Okay, let's open. They're in tissue paper.
Yep.
Oh, it's so cute. It's a toilet.
Yeah. Ooh, excuse you.
Yummy. A part of, I'm not sure what this is, but it looks like when you work, like there's this,
Maybe a desk or something like that?
maybe like a desk.
Yeah.
And now I think this is the part.
Okay.
Oh, it's so cute!
Little minis.
Oh my
Oh,
god, it's so cute! I'm
Very
just about to
cute.
cry. It's so cute. Sitting on the toilet at work.
Oh boy. Silly girl.
Okay.
And here's your,
I love the color.
I love the color of the ball. You can put things.
Purple ball.
Cool.
Purple ball.
Like a lavender.
Yeah. There's a keychain. You can connect it, but I don't
So cool.
know. And this is the checklist. Let's see what we got. We got Smudge.
Okay.
World's best crossword.
Cool. Okay.
My papa loves, my grandpa loves crosswords.
Crossword puzzles, yes.
And here's a picture of the pet we got. Switch.
Very cute. So much cuteness.
I know.
That was
Cuteness
cute.
overload.
All right. Open up
Okay.
the other one.
Second
Show
one.
show everyone. Cool.
The one I want to get is. I want to get. The tiger.
Okay.
Tigers are pretty cute.
Yep.
They're wild, but
Yeah.
they're so cute when they're
Tigers are good to watch and go to the zoo and watch.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but you can't watch them unless you're a really good trainer.
Yeah, even with that, you're risking.
Very risky, very dangerous. Raleigh's not that dangerous like
No,
that.
just a big puppy,
Yeah.
pretty much.
Oh, it's a blue ball this time.
Okay. They're like light colors. I like the light colors.
Yeah, pearl. It has a
Pearl.
shine to it.
Yep.
Shimmer, shine. Comment down below what's your favorite movie
Yeah.
or show.
For show.
Well, my favorite show right now on Disney Plus, or you can watch it on Netflix too, which is Jessie. I love Jessie.
Nice.
So funny.
Cool.
Okay, ready? It's a cute blue
Very
ball.
cute. Okay. It's like a teal color.
Yeah. Oh, it's a bathtub. It's clear.
Cute. Very cute. Just gotta make sure you take all the little pieces so Riley doesn't.
Oh, this
Eat
is
them.
another one of this. I think it's a stand to hold it.
Yeah.
Okay, how do you get- I believe. Last is the pet. Please get what I want. Oh no, but it's a
It's very cute
baby
though.
chick.
A baby chick. So cute.
The other one looked like a blue puppy or a poodle or something.
Or a cat. Yeah. One of them.
So here's the pets that we got. Baby
So
chick,
cute.
a chick, and a blue poodle.
Very cute.
So, yeah. Let's see what we got. We got Squeaky.
Squeaky.
Squeaky and Smushes.
Nice.
Interesting.
Cool.
I'll come with another one, but we can just throw these out. Oh,
All right, Riley. We're almost done.
it's a fish with a fish bowl inside.
Cool. Cute. Very
So guys, that's today's video on which one is your favorite, the baby chick or the blue poodle. I hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, bye.
Thank you for
Video
watching today.
Thursday.
Yes. Bye, everybody.